What's up, family? This message is for my fellow veterans. If you watched my first video where I talked about transitioning out of the military and how that can feel like losing yourself, so today I want to talk about what comes next. Because if you're a veteran who feels lost, stuck, disconnected, or telling yourself you don't know what to do now, please hear me when I say that that feeling is not the end, that is you shedding the old and you're getting ready for a new chapter. So in this video, I want to go over a few things and I want to share some powerful stuff. How veterans can rebuild purpose after service, why your purpose is still inside you, what your next mission can look like, and how our Veteran Purpose Group helps you get there. So the truth about purpose, let me say it like this. Purpose isn't a job, it's not your rank, it's not orders, and it's not your uniform. Purpose is a reason to wake up in the morning with direction. In the military, purpose is built into the system, but after service, nobody gives you structure, nobody's giving you a mission, nobody's telling you how to rebuild your identity. So a lot of veterans start thinking something like, maybe my best years are behind me, or even worse, I don't have anything left to give. But I'm here to tell you, as somebody who came into the military at 18 and left at 40, that's not true. You're not done, you're not behind, and you're definitely not washed up. You're simply just between missions. The three things that veterans need after service, most veterans don't need motivation, they have plenty of that. They need structure, they need community, and they need direction. So here are the three things that I focus on inside my veteran group. Structure, veterans thrive on structure. In the military, you have routines, responsibilities, deadlines, expectations, but after service, it becomes unstructured, fast, and that's when depression, anxiety, and isolation can creep in. So we rebuild structure in a healthy way. Weekly group sessions, goal setting, purpose challenges, accountability, check-ins, nothing rigid, you're not in the military anymore, but consistent. Identity, that's a big one, because many veterans are not just changing careers, we're shifting who we were and who we are becoming. And the truth is, a civilian life often doesn't recognize the weight of that shift. So we work through questions like, who am I outside of uniform? What are my values now? What strengths did I build in the service? What kind of man or woman do I want to be next? Because identity isn't lost, it's evolving. Mission. This is the heart of the group. In the military, you serve something bigger than yourself. So we ask, what's the next mission? Family, business, leadership, mentoring, coaching, service in the community. Now, I'm not just talking about staying busy, I'm talking about a mission that gives you meaning and purpose. What the Veteran Purpose Group actually is, let me tell you clearly what it is and what it is not. It's a veteran-led, coaching-based, purpose-driven, community-centered structure for real growth. It is not a place to complain without action, a place to stay stuck. It's not therapy, there's no judgment here, and we don't talk about politics. This group is built to help you rebuild your life like you rebuilt yourself in the military, through discipline, support, and mission. What you get when you join, if you join the Veteran Purpose Group, you'll get weekly sessions focused on purpose after service, mindset, resilience, confidence rebuilding, clarity and direction, leadership in civilian life, monthly purpose missions, challenges that help you take real steps forward, a veteran community because loneliness kills, and veterans need other veterans. Optional one-on-one coaching for deeper clarity and personal strategy. So if you're a veteran watching this and you feel like you don't fit in anywhere, you feel misunderstood, you don't know your purpose, you feel disconnected from who you were, you're tired of carrying everything alone, then this is your reminder. You are still needed, not by the military, not by the government, but by life itself. Your family needs you, your community needs you, and you need you. If you're ready to rebuild purpose after service, I want you to join me. Click the link below and register for the Veteran Purpose Group. And if you're not ready to do that yet, that's okay too, but just keep in mind, please don't isolate yourself, don't suffer in silence, and don't believe that lie that you have nothing left to give. Your next mission is still waiting. All right? I hope to see you inside the group. Thanks.